A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and it's a Sunday, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Advocate Nelson Chamisa's silence strategy has worked. Yes, it has worked. Kozwa says whoever advised this man to remain silent was 100% correct. Indeed, change is now on its way and it will happen dramatically. Please keep this message. You will definitely need it one day. ED and his dynasty are finished. Mark these few big words. Nelson Chamisa has managed one thing: silence. It doesn't mean that when you are silent, you are not seeing. Being silent does not mean you are not acting. Being silent does not mean that you are not working on your assignment. But silence makes you focus more. Because we are dealing with a group of thugs who send people to distract you. Chingona anoya achitaura zvake, uyo anoya achitaura zvake, wende anoya nerimwe side achitaura zvake. If you focus on all those people, you waste your energy, and one day you will make errors and mistakes. What you are not supposed to say, you end up saying it simply because you want to respond to each and every person and everyone. He has left this issue to be our issue, while he is focusing on important matters. This is what we have been calling Advocate Nelson Chamisa to do for a very long time, and he managed to do it. He is working silently on important matters. Isisu tiriko kuno kuti chikweshana navo varakasha. They do not know what he is planning. They do not know what he is doing. They will trace and trace and trace and trace and trace and trace. Oh, now to know we have wasted resources tracing wrong people. Vanhu vamuri kutsvaga vazirova nechimuta, vazirova neinformation. Vanhu vamuri kutsvaga vazirova vari kulidai kune zvinhu zviri kuitika. Something is happening, something is brewing. All we know is something is happening and something is brewing because the signs are there. You know, this is the best thing ever to be done in the politics of Zimbabwe. Morgan Tsvangirai was a good leader, but on this aspect he failed because everything he was doing was known. Tarisai monoti vana Komichi, vana Monzora, vana Maridadi, vana Priscilla Misairabwi, vese vanhu ava vakazopiwa maappointments neZANU-PF vese ava. These are people who could put Morgan Tsvangirai on a call ipapo meeting yotoitika. These are people who could visit the offices of Morgan Tsvangirai, who could visit the homes of political leaders in the opposition. But right now, it's not happening. Hakuna mukobva, hakuna murefu, hakuna mutete. President Nelson Chamisa is doing his own things in a different way. The most strategic thing, chatemesa madhara eZANU-PF musoro. Ukaona vanhu veZANU-PF vakukonfesa ivo pachavo pachezvavo vakuchiudzana kuti Chamisa tamutadza. For sure vanenge vamutadza. This is what we are telling a strategy. This is what we call a strategy, a working strategy. Kushanda uchita strategy hazvirevi kuti unofanira kunge uchipaumba uchionekwa nenyika yese zviri kuita vana Jonathan Moyo. Jonathan Moyo has been writing paragraphs speaking on daily basis. Aachiva chii as an individual. Vana Sevia Kasukwere vanonyora maparagraphs every day. Vachipopota vachita noise. What have they achieved? Only hatred against Nelson Chamisa. Mnangagwa vacho vanotomutya. Havatomutangi. Guys, change is coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. We tell you from an informed position that change is coming. I know that we cannot share details. I know that there are issues we cannot say publicly. But the only things we can say, guys, shanduko yakuya. How? When? Izo zviri kuvaridzi vazvo. But what we can tell you authoritatively is change is coming. There is consensus within ZANU-PF. There is consensus within the opposition. There is consensus within every stakeholder in the nation of Zimbabwe except crooks and criminals. Kuti yava nguva yeshanduko. The only people vari kurana ne2030 agenda vanhu vari kuzwa kuti Chikurubi yakavamirira. And they have not refurbished Chikurubi. And for them to start refurbishing Chikurubi right now, it will be a point of weakness yavanenge vachitoratidza kuvanhu. So vari kungotemba kuti tichatiza. But guys, change is coming. No matter the circumstances, no matter the situation, let us remain focused and united.